Oh yeah, this is gonna be awesome. Oh, hey, how's it going? I'm pretty excited right now because after a very long time of waiting, I finally got an exclusive raid pass in Pokemon Go. There it is. And for anybody that's been playing Pokemon, you know that in order to try and catch MewTwo, you can only do so if you get an exclusive raid pass. And I finally got one. I've been playing this game for a very long time. Been waiting for a very long time to get one of these passes, and it finally happened. So in just a little bit, I'll be heading to the People Sculpture in Dearborn, Michigan to join some others to do an X raid. And hopefully I'll be able to catch Mewtwo. So let's see how it goes. All right, we're at the location. The sculpture we're going to is right over there. I see people gathering already. I've got my phone, and as every good Pokemon trainer knows, you gotta have your portable battery charger because you can't risk your battery dying in the middle of a raid. But it's just about time. Let's go. All right, there's the crowd. Here we go. It's raid time. Right, here we go. A lot of people here hopping into the raid as we speak. Oh yeah, first toss. All right, that was a very successful X raid. I caught Mewtwo on the very first throw, which is pretty rare for me. I hardly ever catch the Pokemon on the first attempt after a raid. But I got him. I'm super excited. And I was probably a lot more nervous and a lot more excited than I should have been going into this Pokemon raid, but I don't care. It was fun. It was a fun experience. I enjoy the game and have a lot of fun with it. And there were actually a lot of people here. There were at least 30 people here to do this raid. And it was a lot of fun. It's always a fun experience doing these raids. You meet some fun and interesting people, and they're all usually real nice, and it's just a good time. And I don't know what else to say other than this was a very fun and successful exclusive raid experience. But until next time, this is Webby, not Eddie, signing off.